Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic types of sentences from the English grammar. When do you wake up every morning? Which of the following is the correct sentence? Answer: interrogative sentence. Do not cross the road now. Answer: imperative sentence. When she came to my house, my brother was not at home. Which of the following is the correct sentence? Answer: declarative sentence. Where will you go from here? Identify the correct sentence. Answer: interrogative sentence. Which type of sentence must end with a question mark? Answer: interrogative sentence. The function of declarative sentences is to dash someone about something. Answer: tell. Sit down and be quiet. What type of the sentence is this? Answer: imperative sentence. Which is an exclamatory sentence? Answer: he's so cute. Which of these sentences is imperative from? Answer: have fun, won't you? Being busy, I could not attend the function. Answer: simple sentence. You need not to come unless you want to. Answer: you don't need to come unless you want to. Jeans was not permitted in our college. Answer: were. Go away from here. Which type of the sentence is the given sentence? Answer: imperative sentence. According to Urban Development Department officials, several papers from the 10 files on scam-ridden Adarsh Housing Society in Mumbai are missing, police said. Identify the correct form of the sentence. Answer assertive sentence. Because I left the play early, I missed the surprise ending. What kind of the sentence? Answer complex sentence. Since we bought our new car, the prices have gone up dramatically. What kind of the sentence is given? Answer complex sentence. Every sentence must have a dash about whom we speak. Answer subject. And dash sentence is a sentence which makes a statement or an assertion. Answer assertive sentence. And dash sentence expresses a command or a request. Answer imperative. Mary had a little lamb. The subject of this sentence is dash. Answer Mary. John is absent. What is the predicate of this sentence? Answer is absent. The phone rang. What is the subject of this sentence? Answer the phone. The children shouted. What is the predicate of the sentence? Answer shouted. He went to a new school yesterday. This statement is dash. Answer assertive sentence. Why are you sitting alone? This statement is dash. Answer interrogative sentence. All roads lead to Rome. Answer declarative sentence. What is your name? What type of the sentence is this? Answer interrogative sentence. Rise and shine. It's 7 o'clock. Identify the correct sentence. Answer imperative sentence. What does an exclamatory sentence usually end with? Answer an exclamation mark. The usual form of a declarative sentence is dash. Answer subject verb. Kanmani is richer than I. Which kind of sentence is the given sentence? Answer: complex sentence. What a ridiculous attitude he has. Which type of the sentence is the given sentence? Answer: exclamatory sentence. The commander commanded his soldiers to march forward. Pick out the correct form. Answer: assertive sentence. My father and mother are going to America. What type of the sentence is the given sentence? Answer: simple sentence. Dash sentence are those sentences that ask questions. Answer: interrogative. Kolkata is a big city. Is a big city is the answer: predicate. This little finger on the right, this statement is dash. Answer: assertive sentence. Please be quiet. This statement is dash. Answer: imperative sentence. How small this kitten is? Answer: exclamatory sentence. A sentence that is used to give someone an order or a command is a dash sentence. Answer: imperative sentence. Which is a declarative sentence? Answer: that hurts. May God make you a man. What kind of the sentence is the given one? Answer: optative sentence. Every sentence must have a dash about what we speak. Answer: predicate. The peacock is our national bird. What is the subject of this sentence? Answer: the peacock. What is your name? This statement is dash. Answer: interrogative sentence. Steve was invited to a party but it was cancelled. Answer: compound sentence. Yes, the trophy is ours. What type of the sentence? Answer: exclamatory sentence. If it rains, the match will be postponed. What type of the sentence? Answer complex sentence. And dash sentence is sentence that expresses a strong feeling or sudden remark. Answer exclamatory. Which of these state sentence types often begins with the subject? Answer declarative sentence. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.